Hello students and welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. Let's begin an online session of Standard 6th Mathematics with your teacher Mrs. Vandana Ghagre. Dear students, today in the unit 9th, that is line segment, we will see what is line segment and how to compare the different line segments and how to measure it. See here. By comparing two line segments, we can find out which one is longer and which one is shorter. Now the comparison is done by three methods. One is by observing only, second is tracing only, and third is using divider. So be ready with your geometry box. See the first by observation. We all are aware. By observing only, if this type of figures are given, by observing only we can tell which line is longer and which line segment is shorter. But we are unable to tell the exact length of the segment AB and CD. So here by observation only we can say AB is longer than CD or CD is shorter than AB. But dear students, are you able to tell the length of this segment? No, definitely not. So by observation only, we can only see and we can only tell that one is longer than other or shorter than other. Now by tracing, let us consider the two line segments given below. Now take a tracing paper, that is also called the butter paper. Trace the line segment XY. Place it on AB. You will observe that the point X will fall on point A, but point Y will fall somewhere in between AB. Why this happen? This happen because XY is the shorter than length AB. Still by tracing also we are unable to tell the length of the segment. Now by using a divider. Let us consider the line segment given below. Since the difference between their length is very less, see here, both the segments are nearly same. So here we will use the divider. Now what is divider? Divider is an instrument in a geometry box and it has two arms with the pointed ends. We can adjust the distance between its two ends. See here, two sets of divisor is there. One is with the pencil inside and the other one is with the two ends. So here we have to take the divider which has the pointed end. So let's see how to measure the length with using the divider. Now measuring line segment using a ruler. Ruler means scale. In general we call this scale. A ruler has division on two sides. One side the division are in centimeters and millimeters, and on the other side the division are in inches. See here, observe it carefully. Here the centimeter, 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter, and in that in between 0 to 1 small lines are there. If you will measure that small lines are nothing but 10, and that is the millimeter. And the other side which is greater one, bigger one is in inches. So we use the ruler to measure the length of the line segment AB which are given there. So here some 10 millimeter equals to what? 1 centimeter, because 10 micro lines are there, and 100 centimeter means 1 meter. This already unit conversion we have studied in the previous classes. Now how to measure this? See here, you have to put the scale ruler like this, 0 to 4. So the length of the segment AB is what? 4 centimeter. Now read the mark on the scale against B. The length of the line segment is AB. Now if you want to measure the length with the divider, see how to measure the length with using the divider. See here, using divider and ruler. We can use a divider and a scale to measure the length of a line segment. So first we see how to use by ruler directly, and now divider and ruler. Let us see how to measure the length of a line segment. place the two pointed arms of the divider at the end point A and B. See the first figure. Two end points are at the point A and B. Now lift the divider and without disturbing its arm, place one end of the divider at the 0 mark. See the 0 mark and the divisors are 0 mark and the arms of the divisor, one arm of the divider coincide. So you have to put the divider like this. See here 0 and this is the. So can you tell me what is the length of the line segment AB? The line segment against the other arm is what? 5.5. 0.5 means 5 small lines are there, and therefore 5 centimeter 5 millimeter is the length of the line segment AB, and therefore AB is equal to 5.5 centimeter. So in this way, dear students, we have to use divider and ruler to measure the length of the line segment, and we can also use directly the scale, that is ruler, to measure the length of the line segment and then compare
see
it
again
which one is short and which
make
one
use
is
of the divider.
long. First, place the two pointed arms of the divider on the endpoints PQ of the line segment. See here. Then lift the divider without disturbing its arm. Place one point arm of the divider at point X and check whether the other arm of the divider falls on Y or not. If not, that means PQ is less than XY. The pointed arm of the divider falls before point Y, and therefore the line segment PQ is shorter than the line segment XY. In this way, dear students, by using the divider or by using the ruler, we can measure and compare the line segments. So here is a small assignment for you. Actually, you are aware what is the line segment. So line segment is a portion of the line which has two endpoints and it has a definite length. Now based on this, see here small assignment for you. So complete it and note down in your notebook. Thank you, dear students. Have a nice day.